and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply eyebrow tattoo stickers. And if you look at the screen right now, you will see the eyebrow tattoo sticker that I am talking about. And this is how it looks. It looks really natural. And I will be taking you through the process. And what I will be doing is to go and wash the makeup off my face, because with this type of video tutorial, you need to be makeup free. So we will see if this hype about the eyebrow tattoo stickers is really worth it.